Day 35. Yesterday you added a Forex pair to your algorithm. Today you're going to learn about an asset class that works differently from anything you've used so far. Stocks and currencies trade at whatever the current price is, but there is a whole market built around locking in a price for something that will be delivered later. That market has its own method in QuantConnect. So, what is AddFuture? AddFuture is the method you use in QuantConnect to add a futures contract to your algorithm, an agreement to buy or sell an asset at a set price on a future date. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have the harvest contract, on the right AddFuture. Imagine a wheat farmer and a bread company. In spring, they agree. In October, the farmer will sell 1,000 bushels at $5 each. The price is locked now. The wheat does not exist yet. Both sides have committed to a future transaction. The harvest contract here says, we are not trading what exists today, we are trading a promise about what happens later. Add future works exactly the same way. When you add a futures contract to your algorithm, you are not buying the asset outright, which in this case is. You are taking a position on what the price will be at a specific expiry date, and QuantConnect handles the contract rolling and delivery mechanics behind the scenes. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of Add Future in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. A futures contract is a direct purchase of an asset at today's price, true or false? And the correct answer is false. A futures contract is an agreement to transact at a set price on a future date. You are not buying the asset now, you are committing to a price for later.